3, 2. Alright, welcome to a game about a boat. We're just gonna change that because I really am sitting. Boat. It's not called boat, but that is a boat. That is a U-boat. That's what it's called. But just gonna go +5, I guess. I don't know what in the world. Okay, we're gonna new game. Begin. I'm told to go over this way. Cool.
I hereby open hearing number BV13D in the case of the captain of the German U-boat. Sir, you are known for your courage and loyalty to the Reich. Your accomplishments on the world's seas were appreciated by Kriegsmarine commanders. You have fulfilled every order with precision and devotion. But that same dogmatism for the German Reich's ideas has brought you to this court. Sir, please tell us in detail how your duty and service began, and what was your relation to the captain.
So, we're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to take turkeys off the menu.
Hey, you, cadet. It's your first real assignment after the academy, isn't it?
No, yeah.
Good. Let's teach you something real. Come on, go up the ladder. We have a lot of work to do.
Fine, Arsenal.
Let mechanics start the diesel engines. Use engine order telegraph. Full ahead. The course is 10 degrees port. That vessel on the horizon. Grab the steering wheel. Get us out of the harbor.
Okay.
Grab the steering wheel. Take a look at your watch. Time will pass faster.
Just gonna line the boat up with that right there. Cool. We're just gonna float that back because I like doing it. So, bam.
Our order is to sink that vessel. It was bombarded and now is blocking a way out of the harbor.
No, it's not. You're a short little man. Well, I guess you are German, so makes total perfect sense. I'm joking. It does not. Why is it so high up?
We need to sink that rubbish. It's blocking our warships. Shoot it a few times with the deck cannon. We don't want to waste a precious torpedo on that.
Yes, we do.
Do the honors. Use valves to adjust the distance and pull lever to shoot.
Okay.
We missed!
Well, guess what? You can just shut up. I'm trying here, buddy. Okay. Oh, you know what? That sucks. You know who is. Okay, we're gonna go bam. Okay. Bam.
Wait. Silence on board! Can you hear it? It doesn't sound like our Messerschmitts. Enemy planes!
Please.
Watch out! Destroy them with this machine gun or take cover!
No. Okay, let's just go. Oh, jeez. Cool. Woo. Is that all of them? Shit. Cool. Okay, thank you. Come on, there we go. Just right there. Woo. That's fantastic.
They must have seen our shots and got Cookie out of the port town anti-aircraft defenses. Wow, and you are not full of bullet holes. That alone is a great job. I like you.
Is it? No.
Seems like we're safe now. Nonetheless, they did some minor scratches on my baby. Let's go back and see if everything's all right in support.
You just sat there.
We'll have a few days until the next task.
Like I said, you just sat there? Bitch.
Finally.
Ah, yes, come in. I hoped you slept well after our party yesterday. It's normal to celebrate, but don't get used to it. You will probably never see home again, as many of good man you seen last night. I need your stamp, Overseer. I like you and I trust you. During the next mission, I'll show you all of the core systems of the U-boat, so you can take over in case of failure.
Bullshit. Fine.
We sail out in a day. After repairs and last checks, it will take us a day to reach coordinates from the order and proceed to test dive the first patrol, if we don't die before that.
That's a neat little song. First dive! Objective: test diving systems. Location: middle of the North Sea. Date: 1940. That's right.
At the designated location. We're fully prepared for the test drive sequence.
Sehr good. Perfect timing. Come on, officer. Get down to the control room and proceed with dive sequence.
Hey, watch your steps. It's all wet. Better grab this red ladder with your hands so you can get down safe.
Reporting all day sunny, sir. It's time to flood the main ballast tanks.
Prepare to dive.
Ready to dive.
You, strong guy. Open the ballast tanks to fill them with water. Better use both hands. It looks heavy in this model.
Oh, come on, I just did that.
Sehr good. Ballast tanks full of water. We've settled on periscope depth. Now let's see if we can withstand the pressure. Can you see the depth meter? We're slowly going down. Good. Let us sink to 160. Speed up the time with your watch. Let's aim to beat 160 meters and hold off on testing the maximum depth of 230 meters. Test diving!
Hammer. Oh, look at you. You're on the ground. What if I just... Oh, wait. Hey, that's right. It does that.
100 meters. $150 meters.
There we go.
Oh, damn it! Fix the leak!
Using a hammer? Why a hammer? And why is that even highlighted then?
With too much water, we risk damaging batteries.
Pressure will always find some weak spots. Let's just assume we're safe up to 160 meters. Use that pump to get rid of the water.
What pump? Oh gosh, you gotta be joking. Okay.
Let's go back to the surface. Blow compressed air to the ballast tanks, Cadet. Valve is over there. Good. Now the ship is surfacing.
Do, 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 do,
100 meters.
do, 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 do. This is cool.
Coordinates reached.
Good. Go up to the conning tower. From there we can target the enemies and launch torpedoes.
Okay, officer. I'll need you to lock onto the enemy using the attack periscope. Can you see the ship?
No.
You can use that valve or the right controller to look around. Zoom and periscope height and viewfinder are all adjustable. Can you see the tanker?
Right there.
Run the measuring sequence by pressing the button. Remember to make the calculations 3 times, otherwise we may miss.
Okay, we're gonna do that. We're just gonna...
Remember to make the calculations 3 times, otherwise we may miss. Okay, signal is back. You can see current estimated distance and enemy speed on the torpedo data calculator to the right. Check it a few times to be more accurate. Select torpedo tubes from the panel below.
There we go.
If calculations are correct and the periscope is aimed, you can use that lever to launch the torpedoes.
Okay, here we go.
Feuer! We scored a hit.
I'm reporting the enemy sunk. Order 14A fulfilled.
Fine, I'm just gonna go that one. We're going to Norway, boys. A few hours later.
Tube 2
hours in.
flooded.
Tube 2 flooded. You gotta be joking.
Achtung, Achtung, Alarm! Scheiße, we've got a compressed air leak somewhere. Fix it, go!
Happy?
Okay, the pressure in the system has stabilized. Let us fill the gaps and sail quickly back to the port. Find the compressor and turn it on before we move on.
Oh, that's right. We gotta do that.
Start the compressor.
the
Both
compressor.
carburetors should work. Electric and diesel.
Forget where it's at. Oh, that button. That's right, the button. But I always forget about that button.
Tanks will be full of compressed air in a moment.
We look at torpedo. Why is there blood on it? There's blood on the torpedo.
Alarm. Everyone on standby.
Why is there alarm?
Enemy unit detected. We should signal to order, sir. Prepare to field. Someone run to the torpedo depot to help load them up.
Okay. Hi.
Whoa! Wait a moment! Let me first show you how to load these torpedoes. Focus, because you will have to repeat the whole sequence after me.
Oh, jeez.
First you must pump out the water from the hatch. Otherwise it will spill out. Then we unbolt the hatch. And then open it. After that, use the chains to pull out the torpedo.
Okay.
Finally, when the torpedo is in the chamber, close it and lock it. Now, use the lever on the side to flood the tube with water. The torpedo is ready to fire. Now it's your turn.
Oh,
If you
yeah.
follow my instructions, everything will work just fine.
Fuck. Well, I already missed something. That was weird. But okay.
Tube 4, ready.
Okay. Cool. We can just do this. He never said anything about not open. He never said anything about opening up 2 at a time. Come on, just open. Open. Thank you. Still wondering why there's blood on the torpedoes. Okay, cool.
Torpedo ready.
Nice.
Torpedoes are on the way.
Cunt.
Target destroyed. No one else in sight. We can sail back to the port. The commander will be proud of us.
Are you sure about that? What if I, like, put us all the way over here? How far can I zoom? Oh my gosh. I can, like, go all the way to Madagascar. If I wanted to. But why would I do that when I can go to enemy territory? No, I want to go there. I can't believe, like, we can go that far.
Coordinates reached.
Go to the captain's room, it says. Oh, it's dark. Cool. I like the
Sir,
dark.
we are full of supplies again.
But shit.
I have great news for you, Cadet. Your course is almost over. Hereby, my work here is nearly done. Headquarters will be sending me to another U-boat soon. This order will prove if you're actually ready to take the helm.
Okay. We're taking this thing. Torpedo. Like children in the fog. Objective: locate and destroy a lone ship. Location: Norwegian Sea. Date: 1940. So is that the back? That is the... Yeah, no, that's the front. Why is that still there?
Torpedo ready.
No, it's not. What happens if I... Oh, you can actually shoot the buildings. I love it. I'm just gonna shoot the crane. And they're doing nothing about it, too. I love it. So, it is way up there. Cool. I want to go there. Oh, no. We want to go to the mission objective. Yeah. Okay.
Coordinates reached. Somebody go to the surface. Scheisse, I can't see anything through the periscope.
Yeah, yes, fog. Fog on the sea. Gotta love it.
Shit, I can't see them in this fog. The hydrophone operator reports the sounds of the propeller north of us. Let's go under the water and find exactly where the sounds are coming from.
How far under the water do you want?
You can hear
I'm just
more
gonna
underwater.
go periscope depth. How about that? Wait, can we play music?
Periscope. We're on the periscope depth. Have someone come up to the hydrophone and take a full course towards the enemy. Hydrophone measurement started. Engines dead slow. Target your opponent. Point the microphones towards the passing vessel, somewhere north. Hear them! Ha! We have coordinates! The hydrophone points to an angle of 70 to our break. All you have to do is aim your periscope at this spot, like a blindfolded sniper. We won't give him a
70.
chance. Alles klar? Let's go.
Right there. Interesting. So this is 1301. I'm gonna decrease that. Okay, we're gonna go 1305.
If calculations are correct and the periscope is aimed, you can use that lever to launch the torpedoes.
Now fire!
Magic. I already did. Way ahead of you there, buddy.
10 seconds to impact.
Really?
If you can't see
I
your
hope these
target,
work.
use the tactical map to update the enemy location.
Okay, you're gonna give me... Hey, look at that. We got him.
It's going down. Sehr good!
Okay.
We deserve the medal!
Do
Let's
we
go
really?
back to port to make a report to the command.
Let's go
We'll see what they have
to,
prepared for us.
Oh, we can't go through there, can we? It's Italy. Let's go back to Norway.
Enemies are still nearby.
What? What do you mean? Yeah, right. Yeah, okay,
We
cool.
are at the designated location. Sir, we are full of supplies again.
Interesting. So it wants me to go back to the captain's room. Well, I can totally do that.
I knew it! You're a man! From now on, you will be responsible for the crew and mission fulfillment. You can find a board with orders in the captain's room at every Allied port. Good luck with your duties. I hope to see you when all this is over.
Me too. You're a short man. So, I hope you all enjoyed this game that recently came out. Maybe at some point in time we can get into multiplayer. But for now, we're gonna continue with single player. Oh my gosh, you can hear it. Hold on, let me grab another apple. Or the whole thing. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Yeah!